Amnian viewers can get hi with you. Please say hi to the viewers there. So amniwa start kurina viewers can get say hi with you.
First of all, we would like to thank the Hornbill TV for inviting us in your show. Well, I'm Yan Jumong. We study in St. Christopher School, chessore. I'm in standard 8. We are from Chessore village, and we are also known as the Ro Gang.
Hi everyone, I'm Imdo.
Hi everyone, I'm Gidowa. I'm studying in class 8.
Hi, I am Moshibo. I'm studying in class 2.
Acha. So then thank you so much. Bishimandu, we are so excited amnian ahado. So amnian bi Hornbill TV finally ahina bodo amnian bi excited feel grace na. So acha tika sito amnian bi moan gyolop kuidu first the viewers kage mo naga manan bishi janung jaise amnian la background kam bishi janung jaise amnian group taking up from hushe bishi bondo janung jaise. So can you first tell us how the Ro Gang was formed?
We live in the same village, as well as we are neighbors. So we used to play together, roam around. And one day we heard our brother listening the music in the speaker.
Okay.
So we went and told him that we'll sing a song. We sang many songs, but while we sang that "Baby Good Love You Every Day,"
Okay.
he had recorded and uploaded in YouTube, and that's how the Ro Gang was formed.
Oh, then why the Ro Gang? Why did you guys decided to name the group as the Ro Gang?
We were too raw, and
Acha.
the lyrics are not well, as well as
Oh.
we were untrained na. So he give us the name as the Ro Gang.
Acha. So because tuan khushi lyrics kan going or na bishi rough tough gane tuan lang group la naam the Ro Gang or na matiti siya. Ini kasi